On the Groups tab, you can assign vehicles to specific groups, and you can view the groups that the vehicles are currently assigned to. Finally, the rate plan tells you which service plan you have with us. There's another magic button up at the top of this page labeled More Details. The More Details tab gives you the ability to view PTOs that are set up and have the device beep when a specific speed is reached and a PTO is triggered. To give you an example, let's say you have a device with a bucket and you monitor a power takeoff to let you know whether or not that bucket is locked down. You can have the device beep if the vehicle goes faster than 3 miles per hour when the bucket is not locked. Custom parameters, the final tab that you see, is an area where we can set some advanced parameters if you're integrating with other systems or doing some more advanced work with your system that requires custom parameters to be entered.